Peabody and the Fancy Flowery Ice Cubes. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. We are having a celebration today. We're making fancy flowery ice cubes for a party. Let's get on our way. First, we collect tiny edible violets, picking each one carefully. Look, we found a snail. And here's Ladybug we see. Now we pick some mint for the ice cubes and Herbie's hat. And a lemon from the tree. All for our ice cubes. How fancy is that? We start by cutting our lemon. It's juicy, yellow and bright. We cut it into small pieces to fit the ice cube mould just right. It's time to prepare our mint and our violets as well. We rinse with clean cold water. Our ice cubes will be yummy, we can tell. We place a mint leaf in each ice cube mould and the fresh lemon too. And we add our purple violets to make fancy flowery ice cubes for me and you. With our ice cube tray filled with colour, it's time to add water to each mould. We put the lid on securely and now into the freezer to get super cold. Time for a teapot tea with our friends. And soon our fancy ice cubes are ready. Great! A grown-up pours elderflower cordial and we tip our ice cubes onto a plate. We add our fruity, flowery ice cubes to each glass. It's time to celebrate. Hooray!